Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the absorption of food in the intestine. The breakdown products of digestion include the amino acids, glucose, fatty acids, and glycerol. These products of digestion are absorbed from the gut into the bloodstream and are transported to animals' tissues and cells by the blood. Most of the absorption occurs through the ileum of small intestine. This ileum has specialized structures which are villi, which are specialized for absorptive functions. Each villus is supplied with blood capillaries and a lacteal and is covered with absorptive epithelial cells. These epithelial cells have microvilli in their apical membrane. These features make villi the best absorptive structures in the ileum. The microvilli, which are present on the apical surface of epithelial cells, have specialized features for absorption of all types of digested food products. For example, they have a glycocalyx, they have digestive enzymes associated with their membrane, and they have specific intramembrane transporter proteins. The simple sugars and amino acids are taken up by these microvilli of the epithelial cells. This absorption occurs by diffusion or active transport. From the microvilli, they diffuse into the blood capillaries of villi. Dear students, the absorption of fatty acids and glycerol takes a different route. They form micelles. When the fat and lipids are digested, they are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. But bile salts aggregate around these products of digestion, that is, around the fatty acids and glycerol, forming micelles. Micelles pass by simple diffusion into the epithelial cells. In the epithelial cells, fatty acids and glycerol recombine and form triacyl glycerols. Proteins combine with these triacyl glycerols to form chylomicrons. These chylomicrons are in this way lipoproteins. Now, chylomicrons enter the lacteals of villi. अब ये ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में शामिल नहीं होते क्योंकि लिपोप्रोटीन्स लार्जर मॉलिक्यूल्स हो जाते हैं और लार्जर मॉलिक्यूल्स को कैपिलरीज के ब्लड के थ्रू ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं करवाया जा सकता. विलाई के पास जो लैक्टियल्स हैं वो इसी काम के लिए हैं कि काइलोमाइक्रॉन्स इन लैक्टियल्स में एंटर हो जाते हैं. सो द ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ डाइजेस्टेड फैट्स जो कि डाइजेस्टेड नजर नहीं आ रही वो एक्चुअली दोबारा रिकम्बाइन कर चुकी हैं. That transport occurs by the lymphatic system. These fats are products of digestion of fat are handed over to the blood via thoracic lymphatic duct. ये जो thoracic lymphatic duct है ये अपना सारा lymph pour कर देती है into the blood. अब ब्लड के अंदर जाके प्लाज्मा इंजाइम्स मौजूद होते हैं जो कि इन लिपोप्रोटीन्स को हाइड्रोलाइज करते हैं अगेन इनटू फैटी एसिड्स which are delivered to the body tissues and cells.